They are frightened. They are not being taken care of. In Taiwan, there are more than 60,000 homeless dogs, which has been causing serious problems. They make our street dirty, squeeze our living space, and affect our daily life. Why do we have stray dogs? Well, the main reason is people's malicious abandoning. They do not think carefully before buying a pet. The desire to have is so strong that he or she can easily have it because of the fair price pet shop offer. However, as time goes by, having a pet dog is not as sweet as they expect. Raising dog is not easy. It's not only costs money, but also takes time. You have to wash the dog, clean up each drop, and take it to the vet for regular injections, and so on. The owners realize that they can't afford it any longer. Malicious abandonment occurs. Moreover, stray dogs multiply so fast, and the majority of the stray is the offspring of homeless dogs. What will happen to those stray dogs? First, they might be caught by dog catchers. After that, if no one adopts them, they will get mercy killed. Second, some of stray dogs could be caught and sold to the dog meat market and become a dish on the table. Third, car accident is also a lethal weapon to the stray dogs. Oh my God! How can we treat the most faithful friends like that? What can we do about it? In my opinion, is to adopt a stray dog instead of buying one from the pet shop. If you really want to raise a dog, think twice before you have it. Helping neuter stray dogs is a way to prevent from having more stray puppies. Don't let human selfishness harm those innocent animals. Let us do it together.